This video is a review on multiplying fractions. One thing we need to keep in mind about fractions is when you multiply them together, you multiply the numerators and then you multiply the denominators. So let's look at the very first one. We have 5/9 times 5/6. All you need to do is multiply them across the top and the bottom. Now this may look a little different than what you've seen before, and the reason I did this was because as we get into algebra, you're going to be looking at fractions a little bit differently than you do now. So if we take 5 times 5, we get 25, and then 9 times 6, 9 times 6 is 54. And then we need to ask ourselves, do we need to reduce this or simplify it? And the answer to that is no. We leave it the same. Let's look at the next problem. It says 4 times 4 fifths times 2 sevenths. We multiply our numerators, 4 times 2. Then we multiply our denominators, 5 times 7. Okay, and we come up with 8 over 35. Do we need to simplify or reduce? Nope, it stays the same. Let's look at the very bottom one. We have 7/8 times 4 sevenths. We're going to multiply our numerators. So we have 7 times 4 equals 28. And then we're going to multiply our denominators. 8 times 7, and we get 56. So our answer is 28/56. And we can simplify it to 1/2. One thing you have to remember when you're multiplying fractions is that you do not need to find a common denominator like you do when you add or subtract. So multiplying fractions is actually easier than adding and subtracting fractions. So, a little windy here. Anyways, your assignment for today is posted. You're going to work on just multiplying fractions. Don't worry about whole numbers. And make sure that if you need to reduce or simplify that you do so. God's blessings and have a good day.